Hello, welcome to MR-CFD. In this video, you will learn how to generate the geometry and mesh of the product rough surface heat transfer CFD simulation. To start generating the geometry, first open a workbench window. Wait for it to be opened. As you see, workbench window is opened like this, and from this toolbox, analysis system, you can select fluid flow fluent and drag it to the blank window. And then you see there are some sections, for example, geometry, mesh setup, etc. I want to open geometry in SpaceClaim, so right click on it and then open a new SpaceClaim geometry. This is a SpaceClaim window that we can start generating the geometry. To do that, look at this view and click on it, then go to sketch section and select line command and draw a line in which the length is 21 millimeters. Next step, draw a line in which the angle with the previous line is 90 degrees and the length is 3 millimeters. Then draw another line with 45 degrees angle with the previous one. Double click. Now it's time to use linear pattern to repeat this pattern, actually the lines that we have created. So select linear pattern, then select your geometry, then select the direction that you want to repeat the pattern. Here define how many patterns should be repeated, and here the distance between them is defined, which is 24. So yeah, if you click on this green check mark, the pattern is made like this. Now the last line at the end of the rough surface of the channel should be drawn. So I draw it by 12 millimeters length. Then it's time to complete the channel geometry. The height is 15 millimeters and the length is 300 millimeters. And finally close the channel with this line. So yeah, you can see the roughness on the lower surface on the channel, and you can see the surface is made, and now we can transfer it to Ansys Meshing. After closing a SpaceClaim window, you can see green check mark is activated for geometry, meaning that the geometry has been generated correctly. And now you can go to Mesh, double click on it to start Ansys Meshing software. So the geometry is shown in Ansys Meshing window, and you can see the surface in this view. Then start meshing the geometry. Click on Mesh and change the physics reference to CFD. After setting up a physics reference, it's time to give element size. To do that, in Mesh Details, define element size as 0.2 millimeters. And after that, right click on Mesh, generate mesh, so that the meshing process starts. So the meshing is done, and if you zoom in, you can see how the surface is meshed, in which the mesh type is structured. And if you right click on mesh, then update, the mesh data will be transferred to Ansys Fluent. Hope this video is helpful for you. To benefit from MR-CFD services including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.mrcfd.com or contact us via info@mrcfd.com.